And this stuff, it's miniature. It's smaller than the 1/16th. I don't know if it's like the 1/64th or whatever. It's whatever that standard miniature little miniature tractor deal is. All Ertile, again, all John Deere, all verifiable. I got a Ertile tractor, John Deere, chisel plow, Ertile underneath there, Ertile, it says underneath there, John Deere wagon, round baler, and where does it say Ertile? It says Ertile somewhere on here. Right in there it'll say it. And another John Deere tractor, Ertile, it says it underneath there. So